According to. Okay, cool. So we always saying about arrays yesterday. So today we continue on the same thing. So how to do on arrays? Let me create a new class. Okay, cool. So I just want someone to help me on this. So can anyone tell me how we create a local variable and then initialize the value for it? Can anyone help me? Okay, I'll do that. Integer a is equal to.
Yeah, a is equal to 10.
Yes, correct. Okay, so what this will do? This step.
Sorry.
Assigning a value.
So integer a, what this step will do first?
Basically, it will allocate a memory for the integer.
Superb. How many memory locations will be allocated?
4 bytes.
No, that's okay. How many memory locations?
One.
One.
Yeah.
Only one memory location will be done, and then in that 10 will be stored in it. Correct? Then the next thing. I want to store now multiple actually what values in a single memory location. Okay. So multiple values in a single memory location which is distributed. So that is called as arrays. So how an array can be, so for example, I need to store 3 values 10, 20, 30. Can anyone tell me how?
Int b
Yes.
square brackets is equal to
Yes.
curly brackets
Superb. Yes.
10, 20 or whatever the values. 2 values or 3, okay, 30, end of curly brackets, semicolon. Yeah.
Correct. So what this will do, it will create one memory location and then it will be distributed into 3 parts. That is 10, 20, 30. I can store multiple values in a single memory location.
Yes, but Murli, this will take around 12 bytes, right?
Bytes level, all those things I'll show you later.
Okay, fine.
So first we will go with the keyword understanding information.
Sure.
So now next actually what is the other way?
Apart from array, you can define the variables in different location, but it will be distributed, not at the, like different locations.
Sorry?
Using array, you are saying, or?
Yes, correct. What is the other way actually to create an array?
Int b of 0 is equal to 10.
No, that is trying to assign this. So now the thing is actually another way, as like creation of an object, right? We can do for this also.
So int c.
Murli, it is like int b.
Yes, tell me.
Int b equal to new understanding arrays.
Int b, yes, correct. Equal to
new class name.
Super. New again. What is actually what I want? The integer data type only, right? The values to be stored in that array. So I need to give int.
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
That's it. What is that? I just forgot. B equal to new. Oh, sorry. Yeah. How many memory locations I want? So 3. I need to give like this, or 4. Okay. Now the thing is actually what? So this should be C. Now year 4 allocations has been done, but we have not stored value. So this is only a kind of declaration, but initialization is not been done. Okay. So can anyone tell me how to initialize a value 100, 200, 300, 400 for this C array?
So int c.
Int
C.
So whenever you give actually what with data type, it's kind of creating a memory. But here we have already created the memory.
Okay.
Okay.
So
What I need to do. So how actually what the memory location actually what inside it will be distributed as per index location. Index location starts with
0.
0.
yes. So that means what I need to do. C of
In C of 0.
superb is equal to 100.
100. Yeah.
C of 1 is equal
1
to
equal to
200. C of 3, sorry, 2 is equal to 300. C of 3 is equal to 400. 0, 1, 2, 3, correct? So now I want to print the values. Okay, so I want to print the value 20 from the B array. Can anyone tell me what I need to do? So what I need to give. Okay, I'm just recalling it, guys. So nothing. So then after that, we'll again go to the subject properly.
B1.
B of?
B of 1.
Correct.
Yeah.
So B array. Then after that,
After 1.
this is 0th array. This is first. Okay, so right click, run as Java application. So now next. So one we already got to know that actually what if I want to print any informations, we have to give the index location following with the array, correct? So now I want to print all the three. So if I want to get the length of actually what the B array, so what is the information I need to give? B dot. What is that I need to give?
Length.
Yes, length will help me to give the
So
size of
length.
the array.
Size of the array.
What is the size right now for me? It is. Can anyone tell me what is the size of this?
3.
Correct. It is 3. So index location starts with 0 and then ends with 2. That is the length minus 1 will be the last index value of the array. Correct. And then index starts with 0. Okay. So for this, if I want to actually write an array, a loop, what is that I need to do? So where the index location starts and then where the index location ends. Based on this, I want someone to write a for loop array. Can anyone tell me what I need to do?
For I is equal to 0.
For integer I is equal to 0. Super.
Yeah.
Why? It should start with 0.
Oh, yes. And I less than B dot length.
Less than B dot length. Super. So why actually what we are starting it from 0 and then we are ending it less than the B dot length.
And I plus plus.
Okay.
And then CISO.
I don't know. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
No, I'm asking why you need to start from 0.
Okay.
Why you need to end less than the length of the array. Length.
Because
yeah.
Array should start with the index 0.
Correct. The index location starts with 0.
And it will be the last index will be less than the total length. Like if the length is 5, then the index will be 4. As it is starting from 0.
Super. So in this place over there, if you see 0, 1, 2, the B dot length will be 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. That's why. Yes. Then
CISO.
Yes.
B of I.
Yes. B of
I.
I. That's it. Super. 10, 20, 30. Super. Now the next thing we have the another array is C array. Correct. So this array I want you guys to print in a reverse order. My output should be 400, 300, 200, 100. 400, 300, 200, 100. In a reverse order, I want you to print. So what is the index location? We will see here. So index location of 100 is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So now can anyone tell me how I need to start the for loop. Not Deborah, not the Jayesh. I want apart from them because they have spoken. I want from others.
So
It's
Murli,
in. Okay.
Yes.
yeah, go ahead. Yeah, that's okay. Go ahead.
Super. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, for int I equal to 3.
Okay. But right now, in case if I have one more C of 4, if I increase the size over there, now will this work?
No, it will throw an error.
So that means what should be there? I know it will not throw an error. It will miss out this 500.
I mean, it'll throw an exception. Index auto pointer.
No. How many size I have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. Okay.
So CF4 is valid still.
Yeah.
Now, but here you're starting it from 3. That means 3 is what? 400. You're missing out
Okay.
the 500.
So yeah, 5. So
What
it
is the
should be
proper
4.
way?
4.
No. That's what I'm saying, right? You should not hard code it. What is the proper way?
Okay, it's
What is
C
the array
dot
name?
length,
Yes, C dot length.
length -1.
Yes, -1. So this is the proper way. So what is the C dot length? That will be 5. 5 minus 1 is what? 4.
Is 4.
Yes, I'm starting it from 4. Where I need to end?
0.
Yes, because always the array starts with 0. So here you
Yeah.
can write it. It's not kind of a hard coding here.
Yeah.
So this should be I is?
I is equal to 0.
No.
Less than or double. Yeah.
It should be what? Greater than or equal to 0. Why it should be greater than or equal to 0? Because initially my I value will be what? 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 0? Yes.
Yeah.
3 is greater than, 2 is greater than, 1 is greater than, 0 is actually what? Equal to. So that's why greater than or equal to. Yes, then?
Okay. Yeah. I minus.
Yes, because we are reducing it actually what? By
Decline.
4, 3,
And
2, 1, 0.
Do a sys out
Yes,
of C of
I.
I.
Super, good. We are printing 500, 400, 300, 200. Good. A good man.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Jagdish. Okay, now apart from actually what Debadatta and then after that Jagadish and Jayesh, I want someone. So can anyone tell me? I want a 2-dimensional array to be written. That is, I want to create a 2-dimensional array which has 2 rows and then 3 columns. Okay, a 2-dimensional array which has 2 rows, 3 columns. Can anyone tell me?
So int Murli,
Yes, int
D
D, super.
square bracket
Yes, how many square
Okay.
brackets?
2
2, because 2-dimensional array. Yes,
equal to
yes,
new int
yes,
in square bracket 2
yes,
inside first one 2
yes.
and 3.
Correct. The first square brackets, it talks about rows. The second one talks about columns. So we need 2 rows and then 3 columns. Super. Good. Yeah. Next, Bella.
Yeah, thanks Murli.
Yeah. Next. So I'll ask the next one. Hey, hi, Meena.
Hi.
Can you help me? I want to store the values into the 2-dimensional array. So it is 2 rows, 3 columns. So that means index will be what for the rows?
0.
0 and
0, 1.
correct. 0 and 1. The same thing for the columns it will be?
0, 1.
No.
1, 1.
0, 1, 2. The index locations will be actually what? For this 0 and 1. For the columns is 0, 1, 2. That means here if you see, for this, how it will be creating me 2 rows 2 rows, 3 columns. So name of the array is what?
D.
D. So this will be what? Rows. Rows will be what?
0 and 1.
0 and
1.
1. Super.
At
This
the
will
top,
be 0. Yeah.
0, 1.
Yes, we can
Okay,
give you
okay,
rows.
okay.
Correct. Just give me a minute.
Zero,
Zero.
1, 2.
Correct. 0, 1, and 2.
Okay.
Yes. Then I want to store values everywhere.
Yeah. 0, comma 0 inside we need to
Should be
a,
D of
D of 0, comma 0.
0 of 0.
0 of 0 equal to any value.
10.
Okay.
Then after that, I want to store
And
it
D
over
of
there to this place.
0, 0 and 1.
0th row, first column,
And first column.
20. Then
D of 0, comma 2 equal to 30.
equal to 30. D of,
D of 1, comma 0 equal to 40.
correct, 1 comma of 0 is equal to 40.
40.
So
And D
here
of
40 will be
1,
stored.
yeah. D of 1, comma 1 equal to 50.
Yes, super,
And D of 1, comma 2 is equal to 60.
equal to 60. Super, that's it. So now it will be storing 10 here,
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60.
40, 50, 60. Okay, cool. Super. A good. Thanks, Bella. Thanks, Meena.
Thank you.
So next, I'll ask. Hi, Prajna. Hi, Prajna. You there?
Yeah, Murali.
Yeah. So now I want to print it over there. Actually, what? Everything. So first, tell me. I want to print 50. That means what I need to do? Only 50 I want to print.
It will be CISO.
CISO.
D of
Yes. D
one-
of
D. You want to print 50.
50
D of,
alone.
okay. It's D of 1. I mean first row and first. I mean that 2 index will be 1 1.
Correct. First row, first column. So that is, see here, first row and then first column.
Yes.
That's what we are giving. So first row, first column. Good. So now, can you tell me? I need to run the for loop. So for that, I need to get the logic. So what is that output I need? Means I want it as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. This is what I want. So now help me to find out the I and then the J. Okay, let me do the first thing. Second program I want you guys to do. So 10. So 10 means actually what? Here, 0th row, 0th column. 0, 0. 20 is 0th row,
0 1.
first column. 0th row, second column. First row, 0th column.
0.
First row, first column. First row, second column. Got it? So now next thing is what we need to identify in that, which is a slow running loop, which is a faster running loop we need to identify, and whether it's an increment or a decrement we need to identify. Then based on that only actually what we need to find where the loop starts, where the loop ends. Then based on that, which is the inner loop, which is the outer loop we need to identify. Correct?
Okay.
Cool. Now 0th of 0. Okay, so here you can see 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 2 0 1 2. So which is a slow running loop here, which is a faster running loop here? Can you tell me, Meena? Sorry, Prajna?
I is the means first loop is the slow running and second
Yes.
one
It's a slow running loop. Yes, then this is a
second loop.
fast loop. Okay, then can you see it starts from where, ends by where?
Starts from 0 and ends by
Starts by 0, ends by 1.
1.
So the 1 I can see, can you see here 0 and 1? That means this is, I is talking about rows. So if I want to get the row length, what is that we need to give? D dot length, correct?
Yes.
D dot length, that will be what? 2. Can you see this is 2? So 2 minus 1 will be what? 1, correct? Because it starts from 0, ends by 1. Instead of hard coding it, I'm giving it D dot length minus 1. That's the one thing. Understood, right? For everyone, what I'm doing here? Then, so slow running loop means always it's a outer loop.
Yeah.
Okay. Slow running loop is always an outer loop. Faster running loop is always a inner loop. Good. So then next, here it starts by where? 0. And then ends by where? 2. 0, 1, 2. So ends by, so 2. That means 0, 1, 2. That means this talks about columns. So column length, if I want over there, how I need to do? Take the array name and then get any one row information. Usually we'll go with the header row, that is the 0th row. For that, when you try to find the length, what will happen? That will give you the column length. Okay, I have taken the D array in the 0th header, get me the length of the column. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 will be what? 2 for me. Got it? That's what we are doing here.
Mulli, I did not get it this point. Can you please explain?
So now for me actually what? Here starts by 0, ends by 2. Correct?
Yes.
So this is talking about what? Columns.
Yes.
We clearly come to know. So here the thing is, if I want to get the column length, okay, so the column length minus 1. So the thing is 0, 1, 2. Okay, starts by 0, ends by 2. So what is the perfect way? If you see, if I want to get the column length, what I need to do? What is my array name? D.
D.
So if I want to get the column length in the D array, I should take any one row information. That is what I'm taking, the 0th row. D of 0. For that row, find me the length. D of 0 dot length means get me the column length. What is the column length of the 0th row? 1, 2, 3. So if I give 3 minus 1, that will be what? 2. That is where my loop ends here. Got it, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Super. Good. Yeah, thanks, Virginia. So now next I'll ask, hey, hi, Arpita.
Yeah.
Now can you tell me? So now I have found the logic. Now I need to write the program. So outer loop is what? This I.
Row I.
The inner loop is what?
J.
J. So based on this logic what we found, you help me to actually what? Write the for loop.
Okay. First we have to write for outer loop.
Yes.
I is
Integer.
equals to int I equal to 0.
Super.
I less than
Yes.
D dot length
D dot length.
I plus plus
Yes. So D dot length
is
minus 1.
minus.
Because here ends by D dot length minus 1 I given. That is what? 1.
Okay. If we didn't give minus 1, it is also fine, right?
No. So, oh yeah, correct. Correct. It should be D dot length minus 1. Otherwise, I is less than or equal to D dot length minus 1. Yeah. You're correct. So I can give I is less than or equal to D dot length minus 1 as of now.
Yeah. Then I plus plus.
I plus plus. Super. Then inner loop.
Inner loop int j equal to 0. J less than or equal to
Yes.
d of 0. I mean
Yes.
array of length minus 1.
Yes, minus 1. Then
J plus plus.
correct. J plus plus.
And then it will print CISO
Ciso
d of
D of
I
yes.
j
I and then J.
j.
That's it. Super. A good Arpita. Super. Cool. Guys, everyone clear about this two-dimensional array now? Everyone is clear? Any questions so far for anyone? Anyone has any questions so far? Can everyone ping me as yes in the chat window? You're clear? I want to reply from everyone on this because now I'm going to give an assignment to you. I want you guys to do this. Okay, cool. Super. Now I have got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So now you help me to find 10, 40, 20, 50, 30, 60. Okay. Take a paper and pen. As usual, find the I and J. Okay. Then after that, find the outer loop, inner loop, this information. Based on this, run my for loop. Got it right? Everyone got now? No one writes the program at the beginning. Everyone find the logic. Then after that, write the program. Then only you will feel programming is easy. Okay, guys? So now 8, 10, I want the output of this. Take a paper and pen, find this, get the logic, then based on that, get the program. Okay? Thank you. 8, 10, we will again connect, guys. Thank you. Yes, good. Good. Some of them are able to do it. Super. Let me do that. Okay. So now it's 10, 40, all those things. So it's like I make it as I and J here as usual. Then here 10. So 10 means what? Okay, I want someone. Hey, hi Tony. Can you help me on this? Hey, hi Tony. You're there?
Yes, hello.
Hey, super. Can you help me, Tony, on this? So 10 means what is the row?
Oh, 10 will be a 0 and 0.
0th row, 0th column. Yes. 40 will be?
40 will be 1 and 0.
Correct. First row, 0th column. 20 will be?
20 is going to be 0 and 1.
0th and 1. 50 will be?
50, 1 and 1.
1 and 1.
30 will be 0 and 2.
0 and 2.
And 60 is going to be 1 and 2.
Yes, super. Good. So now identify this logic here. So what will be for this? What will be for this?
I will be the outer loop.
Yes, 0 1 0 1 0 1. Yeah. So rows, it talks about rows here. So that will be outer loop. Yes.
And J will be the
outer loop. So that means it's actually what? A slow running
slower.
loop. That's why it's an outer loop. Correct.
Yeah.
Because hey, no, it's not a outer loop. Sorry, my mistake. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 2 2. Can you see this is slow running loop? This is 0 1 0 1. See, the increment is happening immediately. Got it? 0 0 1 1 2 2. So this is actually what? Slow running loop. Got it?
Oh, that's actually slower?
Yes, this is a slower loop. Slow loop. Because see, it's repeating. 0 0 1 1 2 2. The same thing here also see 0 0 0 1 1 1. That we made it as a slow running loop, outer loop. Understood, right? So 0 1 2 0 1 2. Here also 0 1 0 1 0 1. That means faster loop. So this 0 0 1 1 2 2 is a slow loop. That means that is the outer loop.
Outer loop, okay.
Got it? The same thing. This one will be what?
I know
It's a
inner loop.
Fast loop, which is a fast loop or always a inner loops. Then it starts by where?
It starts at 0 by 0. And
yes.
Then it ends by d dot length minus 1.
Correct. So this talks about rows. Row length means I need to give d dot length. Okay, minus 1.
Minus 1.
Yes, the same thing here. Starts by
0.
Yes.
And then ends by d dot 2.
No. So here the thing is column. It talks about 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2 talks about column. So column length, if I want, always I need to take a row. So d of 0th row I'll take. Okay. Of dot length. See, that's what we got. The same thing. Length will give me actually what? 3. So the first row, the 0th row when I take, the length of the column is what? 1, 2, 3. So I want till 2. That means minus 1.
Minus 1.
Got it? So 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. So both are increment only. That means my loop should be actually what? Increment only. Okay. Now based on this, I need to run the loop. So the outer loop. Can you tell me which is the outer loop right now? This one.
Hit the J.
Yes. Now can you tell me the outer loop?
So it's going to be for I.
No. Starts by where?
Okay. So for J equals 0.
Correct. So because we are talking about J here, so that's why int J is equal to 0. Ends by
J is less than or equal to 0.
D of 0.
square brackets 0 dot length
minus 1
minus 1, and then j increments.
plus plus. Yes, super. Then the inner loop.
For I equals to 0,
Yes,
and
because
then integer.
yes, we are talking about I here, so that's why it's I. Then it's the inner loop, starts by 0, ends by I is
-1 minus 1.
yes, less than or equal to d dot
Length
minus 1. Yes,
then increments.
I plus plus. Super. Then this should be CISO. What I should give here? What I should give there? D of?
It's going to be D and I mean I and J, right?
Yes, I and J. Because see, when I give I and J, then it will be printed as it is. Okay. Clear for everyone on this program? Is everyone clear?
Sure.
So, okay, good. Thanks, Tony. Guys, everyone clear on this part? Super. So next, I'm going to give you some assignments for you. I want everyone to try this program. The same logic you have to apply for everything. Okay, now you tried 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then 10, 40, 20, 50, 30, 60. Correct? The next thing, reversal order, 30, 60, 20, 50, 10, 40. Okay, that one. The next is 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Then the next is 60, 30, 50, 20, 40, 10. So I want these things to be written. The logic, because if you find this is more than enough for me. You have understood about the arrays. Got it right? I want from everyone to do this. Clear? Any questions for anyone on this? Any questions for anyone on this assignments? I want everyone to take a paper and pen and then do this. And then after that, take your system and then execute the program. Clear it? Okay, cool guys. So with this, I'll stop it for today. Tomorrow, we will again continue with this same time. Okay, thank you. Bye guys.